Hi everybody, I'm sorry if you hear vacuum noises. My mom is vacuuming, but this is the intro. Hi everybody, it's Canadian Kate, 93. I am here with a squishy box for August 2017. This is a way to build your kawaii squishy collection. I love getting these boxes. Okay, so it does come with the paper, but I had already opened it and taken the paper out of it. So these are all the lovely squishies you get inside, or at least for this month. So let's go ahead and let's look. So we got this giant cake slice. I have actually a different version of this, different colors. I have pink. I think I have yellow and pink. So and it's so soft, so smooth. Smells like chemicals, but so soft, like, oh, I just love it. So I squished a strawberry on top. How slow rising that is. Like, give this a big squish. Like, look how slow rising that is, guys. That is amazing. Okay. We got another one of these. I believe I have this one already. But look how, like, soft and squishy that is. Okay, this one is also, I believe another one that I already own or own something similar to this one. Oh, shoot, I missed it. So, this is what it looks like. It's like a little donut with sprinkles on it. Wow, that is squishy. Okay, this is definitely going to be a keep. Okay, and then I got this jumbo or medium sized ice cream bear. Here is the tag. It's like a Rilakkuma, probably like a knockoff one or a cheap one. It's squishy, but it definitely is not slow rising. So I have this dumpling. The sprinkles all over. So got this dumpling and wow, look how soft that dumpling is, you guys. That is so soft. Then I got another one of these fortune cookie ones. Okay, this one is more slow rising than my other one. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. Okay, so that is all I have in my squishy box for this month. I'm loving everything. So we got this cake, which is going to be a keep. This is going to be a... Do I want to keep this? Yeah, you know what? This is going to be a keep for right now. This is going to be a keep. This is going to be a keep. I'm going to keep this one even though I have one already. And I'm going to keep this one. So, yeah. If you like this video, and I know you do, because why wouldn't you not watch if you don't like it, right? Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified for when my videos go up. And I'll see you soon. Bye. And have a great day.